sa layo. Kung kini mga tiguang, kato mga bata, mas tiguang tungtuan ito. Kaya nagpalayo.
Brad, lura na, basta tiguang na.
I would like to greet first our organizers. First of all, I would like to give my acknowledgement and respect to the Federation Chairman of the Davao City, Brad Grande. And of course, our National Executive Board officers, ang atong National Treasurer, si Fernando, dito siya, Fernando po Jr., ha? Fernando Paha, natupag na ako dito. Ikuha na po na, kay Ubano na. The office manager and the acting secretary general, si Merlin Geiger. Of course, ang mga chapter presidents, mga tiguang natin sa matubangan karon, sila na ko isa-isahon kay base ko niya, masuko sila kung di na ko mention ng uban. But it's a very laudable activity. Simply because we are celebrating the 49th anniversary of the Megan Society. Nagsika na sa ako ang taga-Mati, si Salty. Another officer of the National Executive Board, committee. Isang ba'y tayo officer na rin wala ko ma-mention. 49th anniversary of the Megan Society. You and I may be a member of more than 10 years, more than 5 years. But I have a question. Looking back to where we came from, looking back to the time that we were initiated and accepted, kung saan ang nahitabo sa Megan Society today, di ba dapat mo ay question? Noong saman mo, what happened to the organization in general? Have we done something good for the organization? Have we done something good for the community? Have we accomplished and fulfilled our objective in the Megan Society?
Lanog.
Kitang tanan na fulfill man nato ang objective. What is the objective? My brothers and sisters, the hardest thing for all of us to do is to be humble. Pinakalisod ng himuon ka ng magpakumbaba. Others will say na nagpaubos. Pero deep in the heart, wala na siya magpaubos. Because pride eat us. Ikaw na sa karmo ba? And that is the thing that I always say to those who will come to my office, hindi na ako sila, can we not accept that we have weaknesses? Can we not accept that we are the Megans and one of our objectives is to be brothers and sisters? Otherwise, we will eradicate and erase that brotherhood. Kung di ka makadawat sa isang isa nato din eh. Kung di ka makapasaylo sa isang isa nato. We will trample that brotherhood or sisterhood word. Fraternity and sorority means brotherhood and sisterhood. And what does it mean? The very hardest thing to do is to forgive each other. That is the hardest thing to do, I'll tell you. Especially if your pride is higher than you. But as Megans, we should do that. We should accept the fact that I am only a human being and I do things which is sometimes not within the context of morality, not within the context of brotherhood, not within the context of sisterhood.
And Megans,
that is the thing that I like. Saying I love Megans when we pardon. Saying I love Megans when we accepted our brothers. Saying I love Megans when we apply. But are we praying or saying the truth? Brothers and sisters, I have been in the organization since 1976. I think I am the oldest in terms of membership among all of you. 1970s na good, Megans na ko. Until today, you can still see me amidst, sometimes masukuta, sometimes magbahay ta, sometimes kay tiguang na ta, magluod ta, pero mabalik kapag ta sa Megans. Kaya kung di ka mabalik sa Megans, iningatong tato, burahon na nato ni. Kung di ka kadawat kay sakit, di mapugos nagbalik sa Megans. I would like to appeal to all of you. Kini-appeal ni siya as one of your brothers. I am only a member of the Megan Society. I would like to appeal to you to please na gini akong kamiton, a word. Let us forget and forgive whatever differences we have. Let us prove that brotherhoods exist in the Megan Society. Let us prove that we are truly Megans and we are truly brothers. Otherwise, if we cannot forgive and forget, I will start erasing my tattoo today or tonight. If you do not understand what is brotherhood and sisterhood, then perhaps we are half-cooked Megans. Perhaps we were wrongly oriented, and perhaps you and me may not belong to the Megan Society. If you will still consider that, then I will congratulate you, and I will say, kung kitang tanan makasabot nini, kung kitang makayusa, in the 49th anniversary, kung nagkayusa kitang tinood, kung we are really strong, then I will say congratulations to all of us. Pero saan ni usan ni sa tuwa na muingon, nga di nyo mo kadawat ni mo, kay mas tangkat ka sa ako, then we are not successful in the 49 years of our existence. I told you, pinakalisod, mag-humble down. Pinakalisod, magpakumbaba. Pinakalisod, mag-accept of mistakes. Pinakalisod, mangayag pasaylo. But I tell you, that is the most noble thing that a Megan can do. Una'y pinaka-noble na Megan mahimo. Lastly, I would like to congratulate those who organized this. I would like to congratulate Randy and your absence. I would like to congratulate Ferdinand, congratulate Merlin, congratulate the rest of these tigulang na nasa katubangan. Congratulate those, dito ko naglingkod. Tol, dito ko naglingkod ko, kaya ko gusto mahimong tiguang po. Dito ko nagsakol sa mga bataton. After all, Megan Society should always be loving each other. As brothers and sisters exist. And that should be planted in our minds. Thank you for your invitation. Thank you for making the Megans great. Thank you for planting the seed. Thank you for making it grow. And thank you for being humble. And thank you for the respect that you have given to each and every one of us. Because respect is the key word here. When I keyword it, it's no longer the time of, inom-inom, wild, hambog-hambog. It's not only the time of maoy-maoy, tigulang na ta. Let us forget that. We should face the reality that we have differences. We belong to the other sector of the organization. You should accept that if you want to be great, like the Megans, you should act like a great person. If you want to respect, you should act like to be respected. And that is how to be a Megan. O binay-may mong Megan. Congratulations all of you, Randy. I would like to request Randy to stand up. Palakpakan natin si Randy. Okay. Indog Grande, palakpakan ka mo. Ikaw sa tuwa.
Avengers.
Palakpakan nato si Merlin, si Brad Bernard. Palakpakan nato si Judith Alo po. Ito mga karaan natin yun. Palakpakan natin sa tanan. Ganyan ko pang bluda po. Palakpakan ka nato. And 49 is a very good number. Supra man ang last 50 man. 150 ang last 2. So, this is only the beginning. Ang akong the only na ako na Brad na panagpangalan Dante. Ang mas gwapo ko niya, si Dante Mascarillas. Pareho lang biyane, mula kapila namin ng asawa. Kapila ka. Okay, Bao. Si Jingko, nagilom-hilom. Ambot lang, ano po. But anyway, once again, congratulations to our visitors from Surigao and all other chapters all over the Philippines. Asa si Juan? Ito mo pating balaan. Sultan Kudarat. Ang natin, ay, sabihin ko sa ito, magkaraan to.